It's not every day you get a morning off on the ship, so when I did, I knew I had to make it count. Cabo San Lucas was calling, and way better to spend it on a luxury day sailing trip. A few hours away from work, nothing but the ocean, the sun, and the promise of adventure.
For today's video, lumabas. Lalabas.
Again, we're doing the 6-day cruise and we are having Cabo Cabo in a row. So today we are getting on a all-inclusive luxury day sail and snorkel courtesy of Shorex.
Luxury sailing activity. Off-risk.
So the meeting place is exactly at the port, and there we meet our professional tour guide, plus we had our golden wristbands. So from the port, you have to turn left in order for you to go to the area wherein the boats are docked. Before boarding our boat, our tour guide explained everything and had a very brief explanation on what to do, what are the things that we're not supposed to be doing while inside the boat.
And before we hop into the boat, on the towel, we're gonna take our shoes off, but not right now. Okay, just give me 1 second. All right. So first of all, guys, our shoes are gonna be located where the cushions are. All right. So the way we're gonna access to those areas is gonna be from the two handle points that we have right here on the side. Over here, and one right here. And what we're gonna access is gonna be by holding onto them and going like this to the front. Be always careful with your hands so you don't hit them with this right here. Also, guys, if you have any issues with your knees or anything, you can just like sit like this and like this. Alright? So be careful all the way to the front. So both sides, we have better room to take it out. There's one right here. Go over with the rope on the other side. Also another one right there. So safer walking around the boat. Of course, if you don't have sea legs, you can also hold on to it, bend your knees like this, and go to the front section. Alright? Be careful and always take your time to go and throw everything onto the boat. Don't worry guys, you can see there's
We set off in style and we had our welcome drinks. This is non-alcoholic, and as you see, we're now getting to our first destination. We're gonna see the Cabo Arc. finally made it to our first stop, and this is the Cabo Art. This is very popular. We get the time to take photos and enjoy the view. Simply amazing.
Still living your life now. Still living your life now.
After the Cabo Arc, we went to the snorkeling area. They provided us with the paddle board if we needed, the life jacket, and the snorkeling gear. We were given here 45 minutes to do our thing like swimming and checking under the sea.
Girl, when I'm with you, she luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and you sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Better if I say the songs for you when you feel down and bitter. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and you sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Now the boat was a bit on a smaller side, which was fine until I realized you really feel every single wave. Still, spirits were high, and when we stopped to snorkel, I was in my element. Colorful fish, clear waters, and that rush of diving into the ocean. But as the day heated up, so did my stomach. The sun was relentless and the boat kept rocking, and I started to feel less like a glamorous sailor and more like, well, a passenger praying for land. For the next couple of hours, it was me versus motion sickness. I'm counting down until we made it back. 4 hours later, we finally did. Thank you for the entire staff and thank you for this wonderful experience. Still, this is a good one. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Yun lang.